YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nelly, and today I'm just going to be giving you guys an update on Treu skincare, Trey and Armand, or Trey skincare. So 2 weeks ago I got my product. This is the first day of the 3rd week, and I just wanted to update you guys. It's going very well. I love his skincare. This has to be like one of the best products that I use for my skin for acne. Like, it's going great. A lot of like my hyperpigmentation has cleared up and it has gotten lighter, I guess. Well, you wouldn't really say lighter. It would just be like it evened out my skin. It didn't make me lighter or anything like that. Well, honestly, in my opinion, like, I don't think that it made me lighter, but it definitely evened out the skin and it just made my dark spots get lighter. So like I said, like, this is really like just one of the best skincare product lines that I have used. I was so excited to get it, but then at the same time I was like, well, I don't know if it's gonna work, like, and I was scared to use it too. And I'm just gonna I'm gonna put up like my before picture and my after picture, so you guys could like really just tell the difference. I definitely do feel like that it works with acne and discoloration. As far as like texture wise, like if you're oily, like, you could tell that you're oily. You have like a lot of maybe clogged pores, or a lot of whiteheads, or a lot of blackheads. I wouldn't say that it works too much for texture, but it definitely works for just acne and discoloration. So what I'm just gonna do is I'm definitely gonna get a chemical peel to help out with the texture of my skin, so it could look very glossy or very glassy, so I can have that clear glass skin, y'all, because it's working out really well for me. And we're definitely trying to get clear skin in 2021. I am so happy, like, the products work. Another thing that I noticed is that when I first used the products, maybe the blackheads or the whiteheads that was under my skin, it came up. So like for the first time ever, like I had like a big blackhead. It wasn't that big, but it was like a blackhead that I could physically see, and I just squeezed it out, and that was it. And that was my first time, because I never really had any blackheads. I just had like whiteheads, and that was it. So I definitely say that it makes the stuff under the skin come up for like the 2 days that I used it, but it definitely works fast in the amount of 2 weeks. So I've been using it 2 weeks consistently every night. I'm so glad with the results. So this is just going to be a video of me just demonstrating how to use it and just what I do every night. And yeah, so let's get right into it in the bathroom. So I didn't bring in my ring light, so I'm gonna just use just a regular light because I don't feel like bringing my ring light in here. So yeah, let's get started. So the soap that I had was the lemon one. So as you guys see, like, my soap is getting smaller, but you guys know how it came in the bar of soap, right? You just cut it into like a lot of smaller squares, so that way like you're saving your soap. So I'm still on the first piece of soap that I've been using for 2 weeks, and I have a lot left over. So yeah, you want to rub it in as much as you can, get it very foamy or get it very soapy. And I usually do it on for, I usually wash my face for maybe 30. Oh shoot, oh. Okay, anyway, so I usually massage it in for 40 seconds, sometimes a minute. Yeah. I had to clear up my eyes real quick because the stuff got in my eye. Make sure you just wash it off with your hands. So after like you wash it off with your hands, And I just rub my neck off with the towel. So when you're doing it for your face, just make sure to do it with your hands, and then maybe for your neck, just do it with a towel. Okay, so the next thing that I decided to add it with my skin routine is my Dermalogica micro exfoliant, only because like it removes dead skin. So everybody uses exfoliator. So if you ever buy like a product, or you know, even his skincare, like just make sure you have an exfoliator at the end of the day. And in one of my skincare routine videos, I had used the exfoliator, and I explained like the benefits and stuff like that. So I made sure you guys go check that out. And you just do this for 1 minute. So it's been 1 minute, so I'm gonna just wash it off with my hands. Okay, so after you use the exfoliator, you would use the lightening cream next. As you guys see, like I still have a lot. You could easily save your lightening cream from doing this method. You would literally just dip your hand in it, and then I use it for my neck also. I don't use it for my chest, but as you guys see, like my chest matches my face. You just put a dot, barely dip your finger in, and just do dots on your face and your neck, your chin. And then I also put it like under my eyes for like dark circles and stuff like that. I don't know if I seen a difference, because I don't know if I had dark eyes. I don't know, I don't remember. But I definitely put it under my eyes too. You would just rub it in. Just rub it down on your neck. Okay, and then as you guys see, like it's still a lot left from doing that method. Hopefully it'll last me for like 2 months. And then the last thing is the sunscreen. So I just do 2 squirts and put it on. Make sure you put it on your neck too. Make sure to always use the sunscreen, because sunscreen is so important when you're using like a dark spot fader or even lightening cream. Like it's really important. So as you guys see, my skin is still improving. It's not all done yet. Hopefully by the end of the month, like things will be great. And I think that Treu skincare would be, it might be my forever skincare routine. So thank you guys so much for watching, and definitely recommend these products, and I hope you guys have a good day. Okay, thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe and like this video. Bye y'all.